Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. In densely populated urban areas of the cities, even having a small rooftop or patio is a boom. You can create a garden there. You can sit there and enjoy. Surely you may have many plans about your rooftop garden design and style, but considering these ideas will helpful for you. A small rooftop is kept open, look big. Consider an example of transparent glass instead of a parapet wall, fences, railing, or even you can create a hedge around the border. However, if you are concerned about the privacy and would like to block the constantly prying eyes of the neighbor, avoid this idea. If you have a large rooftop or have a bad view from there, or if you want to get a real garden like feel, do little high vegetation around the walls to maximize the greenery and combine yourself from the rest of the city. Growing bamboos and grasses is a good combination if you want to make it a low maintenance. Otherwise, your options are unlimited. Grow shrubs and trees. If your roof support creating raised bed adjacent to the wall is a good idea, you can add wooden raised bed or the one that are made from metals. If you like, you can also construct the concrete raised bed 2 feet deep and wide would be a great size. In them you can even grow tall shrubs and small trees with the regular maintenance, pruning and root trimming. In very few years you can control the plants. When it comes to the rooftop garden design, ensure you maintain the diversity in size of the plant. A few large plants, shrubs or small trees, ground cover annuals must be there. Also buy containers of different sizes. This will give a great look to your rooftop garden. Decide in advance what kind of furniture you would like to purchase. Would you like to lounge on the roof terrace or want to have a dinner there? You must make a choice in initial stage. Furniture that fits the style and theme of your garden would be appropriate for your terrace garden. A focal point attracts the eyes towards it. Anything can be a focal point that draws attention. A water feature, tall trees, beautiful arrangement of container plants, a statue, etc. during the evening. It is important that your rooftop garden is well lit, especially near the stairwell or door. It's nice to make more bright spots. Moreover, lighting a roof will make it look larger during dusk. Always choose one color as an accent color and one or two more colors that follow it. Using several different colors for walls, floor, railings, furniture or containers will make your rooftop look too busy and cluttered. A color combined with a neutral color works best. Neutral colors like white, grey, beige, indigo also accentuate the beauty of plants. Utilize vertical space to add more space to your rooftop garden. Hang planters on the wall, use railing planters and grow a lot of climbers. Don't avoid the flooring. Choose flooring type that fits your budget, suits the climate you live in and accommodate the theme of the rooftop garden. Friends, hope you are enjoying these design ideas on modern terrace garden. If you are enjoying, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram. Just like the shell and core of a building, the step 1 or the waterproofing of your roof is more than essential. Since it will be above your home, you would want to ensure that it is water resistant and leakage free in order to avoid seepage issues. You must also check that your building can sustain the additional weight of pots and plants. After all, you wouldn't want a garden full of buckets in your home while having a garden on your terrace, would you? While the interior of your home are given extreme emphasis, shouldn't your balcony garden be given the same too? Since balcony gardens have spatial constraints, you must plan your layout effectively. Once you have checked the waterproofing of your roof, put together a layout or placement such as where you would want the turf, the vegetable, the flower, or the plants. Also, you need to make sure that the plants that require maximum sunlight are placed and the position accordingly. From growing vertical plants on the wall to having Mediterranean tiles on some section of your garden, there is no extent to how creative you can get. Besides, everybody knows that gardens are not just for gardening, they are also the ultimate places for play, fun, and socializing. Now it's actually time to garden. You need a pot and seeds in variety to make your balcony garden as decorative and appealing. But remember, you have to be patient as slow and steady wins the race. You cannot pressure this garden to mature faster than its pace. All you can do is mix soil, compost, sand, vermicompost in equal quantities and fill the pot. Then wet the soil and sow the seed or saplings and watch it bloom beautifully. If you wish to make your garden eco-friendly, you could use recycled container, coconut shells, Coke bottles, bamboo baskets creatively. Initially, if you are not confident about gardening, start with growing plants that require less efforts like coriander, fenugreek, gram, chili, caspium, spinach, etc. Also cover the terrace with bamboos if you think that the sun is too bright in your terrace. All good things take their own sweet time to become a reality. Soon, as the owner of a balcony garden, you will realize how this saying is much more than just that. You must devote yourself to the garden. It could only take 1 week to set it up, but the harvest will take about 1 month or more. Like every parent nurturing their child, you need to nurture nature to receive best results. Ideally, you will fall in love with the nature and its therapeutic talent. Thus, give it more than it giving you. You know this investment is worth the time, money, and efforts. If you want to transform your balcony into a terrace garden, then you can take plants as we recommend you. Plant for low balconies. Since sunlight is limited in balconies garden, on a lower floor, shade plants are the most suited for them. Beside ferns, orchid, peperonica, succulent and African violets will work well. Plants for windy balconies. When a balcony is located in a place with strong winds, then the type of plant should be able to withstand those conditions. Therefore, it's advisable to avoid plant with a thin stem that can easily break. Among the best choice of plant species for such balconies are succulent, crotons, and cacti. Terrace garden with ample afternoon sun. In this type of balconies, plants that handle the harsh sunlight are ideal. Bougainvillea and Geranium are the best plants for sunny balconies garden or terrace garden. Plants that require morning sunlight. The early morning sun is much milder than the afternoon sun, so flowering plants that require partial shade will suit these species well. Peace lilies, Anthurium, begonia are the perfect species for these gardens. Enclosed terrace or balconies. In case of a covered balcony or terrace, air circulation can affect the plant growth. However, one can use indoor plants that not only thrive in such conditions but also purify the air in the balcony. Spider plant, English ivy, aloe vera, azalea are among the plants that can be used in enclosed garden, balcony or terrace. Friends, hope you like this video on modern terrace garden. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the video that is suggested to you.